Printing text. To make text appear on the screen, you can use the print block. Do this: find the print block in the world category and add it to your program. Type a message into the right side of the block to make the text appear above your sprites. You might print text for lots of reasons. Asterisk to make characters talk. Asterisk to describe a scene. Asterisk to give instructions for a game.